In June 2022, Germany hosted the ILA Berlin 2022 air show. An important exposition was the stand of eVOLO, a manufacturer of electric manned helicopters, multicopters, which are called Volocopters. The new development was highly appreciated by economic senator of the Berlin, Stephan Schwarz. Volocopters can be an ideal transport for the large city with many suburbs. Akiko Itoga, PR manager of Volocopter, told us more about the new technologies in details. An interview with her will be released this week. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it.